Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Canva series. So in the first video we basically talked about what Canva was, what you can do on Canva. I showed you some of my designs. I also talked about the free and the pro version of Canva, where the free version you get only a limited enough number of features. The pro version is $13 a month. You get more with that. Now I'm gonna basically in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a design. Okay, how I basically create my YouTube thumbnails. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you say you want to create, I'm going to show you that. So I'm going to click on YouTube thumbnail, and it's already sized for you. You don't have to worry about sizing it. So whatever you want to create, you just click on it. And this is the editing part of this, the designing part, okay? So I'm going to show you basically what this part of on the left side here, you have templates, and you can use these as long as it says free. If it says a little crown, the pro version, you cannot use it because you're not a part of that. You are not a member of the pro, but if it says free, you can use it, okay? Now these are just templates you can use, but if it says pro, you cannot use it. Okay, so you can just search. This is the search bar. You can search whatever it is you want to look for, templates to use, but as long as it says free, you can use it. Okay, so the elements, they have different elements you guys can use. These are just some of the things that I've used, but remember, as long as it says free, you can use it. If it has a crown and it says pro, you cannot use it. So you could just search through here. And with for flowers, if you wanted flowers, and I believe it says they have free versions on here. Okay, so like I said, don't forget, keep an eye out for the pro. This is pro right here. If it says the word pro and you are a free member, you cannot use it. You have to upgrade to pro to be able to use it. So that's what I meant by the free version is limited. And when you, like some of these images, you won't be able to use unless you're a pro member. Okay, keep that in mind. Now, uploads are basically, you can upload from your desktop. You can, if you can go to like a free stock image website and download it and upload it on here. And basically, you will upload it. So you can, like, for instance, let me click on this. Let me show you. So you can click on this, and you can drag it to make it fit. You can do this, drag it in to make it smaller, and you can pull it in to resize. But I'm gonna delete this for now. So basically, over here we have some text, and you can add a heading, you can add a subheading, or you can. And these down here are some recently used text that I've used, I played around with, and they actually are very eye-catching. Okay, so I recommend using some of these as long as they're free. But the main one I use is the add heading and the background. I installed this little thing on my desktop here. Like, it was a video I watched where you can add, they have some colors here you can use, but I ended up installing this add-on on my desktop, on my laptop here, so I can be able to use extra colors. So when you want to add a background, you just click background, and then this is like more, like you can come here if you want to upload, you want to find different things. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So basically what I do is I come here and I choose like a background, the color. And I come over here, I click on text, and you want to click add heading. And what I do is I pull it in here, I pull it over, and then I center it. And then type something. For instance, I'm going to put my YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so then if you wanted to change the color or change the size, you can come up here, you can change the font, Right here I have it out set to open sans. You can change the sizing of the words, make it bigger, smaller. The coloring. So if you want to change the color, you copy your text, you click on the A, and then you have the color here. You change it to red. But when you want to change it, you click on it, then you do that. Okay? You basically unselect everything. So this is how I create my YouTube thumbnails. So you basically do that. Let me delete it. Let me delete this. So when you want to come here, the first thing you want to do is upload a picture. You know, you can click on upload media. You can upload it from a device, from Facebook, from Google Drive, from Instagram, anything you can think of. Then, or you can create your own. Basically, how you do that is you come here to background, or you can leave it white, and you can add some text. Click add text, and then you can do this, and then you can start creating. So that's basically how you create your images on Canva. Like I said, when you guys are selecting images you want to use, make sure it's free. If it says the pro version, you have to purchase the pro version in order to be able to use that image. Okay? Like it says right here, try Canva Pro. It's only $13 a month. So, and when you want to download this, you're basically going to click on the download, and PNG is suggested. Okay, it's suggested because that's normally the file, the file type that they take. Or if you're creating like a PDF, something like if you're doing low content, no content books, PDF print is what you want to select. PDF standard if you just want in PDF regular standard. But if you're doing like low content, no content books, you make sure you want to select PDF print. But for this, we're going to do this. You click download. This is just for example purposes. Wait for it to download. And there you go. You can, once it's downloaded, you can open it, go and put it on your YouTube channel. Okay? So that is how you create a design on using Canva. So this is part 2 of the Canva series. We're going to now get into part 3.